Hi guys, welcome to Simplifying Tech and Programming. So in today's session we are going to check about how we can convert Gradle project into Maven project by using Java. For this I am referring my blog, that is Simplifying Tech and Programming. So a link is provided into video description. So in general, project requirement or for developing POC or for technology migration, we need to change the build type of the project according to the compatible technology stack. So in this tutorial, we are going to tell step by step methodology to convert the Java builds from Gradle to Maven. For this, we are using Eclipse and Java 8. So let's start creating a simple Java project, a simple Gradle project first. So just go to Eclipse and say right click and say new, go to other, type Gradle. Give name as Gradle to Java. Sorry, one. Yeah, so our Gradle project is created. Now we can see we have like basic structure of Gradle project, and we have the build file of Gradle, that is build.gradle. So in that we found some dependencies are already added as a sample project. Okay, so these dependencies only we are going to convert from Gradle to Maven. Okay, so moving further, so we have to apply for converting Gradle project to Maven project. So Gradle ships with Maven plugin, which adds support to convert the Gradle build file to the Maven POM file. So it also deploy the artifacts to Maven repository. Okay, so just we have to use that plugin. So for to use that plugin, so we just need to copy some lines, that is apply plugin Maven and apply plugin Java. So apply plugin, so just we need that apply plugin Maven. So just paste it on top of this repository and just save. And again we have to run this command clean install. Okay, so just go here, right click on project, say run as, go to run configuration, in the Gradle say new. Okay, and here say clean install, select the project, say apply and say run. So what it will do, so this it will apply that plugin into this Gradle build, and it will generate the POM file also. Okay, so so whatever the dependencies are there into build.gradle, so that is converted into pom.xml. So in the next step we will refer that pom.xml and we will like convert this project into Maven project. Yeah, so this build is successful. So just right click on this project, go to properties, just go to the home directory of our project. Okay, so this is the home directory where we can see the build folder is created inside that. Yeah, you can see 4 folders are created. Okay, so what is there? So inside my libs I have like my jar file got created by I ran that project in the via Gradle. So this executable is created, then class files are created. Okay, then in temp directory, so whatever the manifest files are created, and in POMs, like I run the Gradle project, but it automatically created this pom.xml by using that plugin. Okay, and if you can see in the pom.xml, so we can see all three dependencies are like converted into Maven understandable dependencies. Okay, this Apache Commons, Google Gova, and JUnit. Okay, so we have given here this Apache Commons, Google Gova, and JUnit. So all three dependencies are converted into POM. So now the next step is just right click on this project, go to configure and say convert to Maven project. So we are just converting into Maven project. Yeah, so you can see this M icon came on this project folder. So it is converted into Maven project. So it is created POM XML also, and like it is created the Maven structure. Okay, so open the pom.xml. Okay, so you can see this is the by default pom.xml. But now, so you have existing Gradle project, your source code is there into your Gradle project. Now you have to convert that build file of Gradle project to build file of Maven project. So for that we already applied that Maven plugin, and we have generated the dependencies here. So just copy these dependencies to our pom.xml. Okay, and just save it. Okay, so our migration is completed. So now our all dependencies from the Gradle are there into the Maven project. So to verify that, just go to run and say Maven build. So I'm running same project with Maven now. Okay, so we just have to give command clean install. Okay, and say run. So we are running Maven project now. Okay, so this build got success, and yeah, all dependencies are successfully compiled and it is generated the executable file. So that also we can verify. So it should generate the target folder. Okay, so go inside this Gradle to Maven and you can see this target folder is created. Okay, so this target is created by Maven. Okay, so now this Gradle to Maven snapshot.jar, this executable is created from this Maven build. Okay, and these are the sources for the Maven. We, in short, we have created the build file of the Gradle. We have migrated to build file of the Maven. Okay, so you can find the source code on the GitHub link provided into video description and as well as in this blog. Yeah, so thanks for watching.